if I have to say three words in my 2025 season, I will like to say recovery, because in the beginning of the year I had injured in my foot, and after that step by step, because after the injured I little bit struggle, but step by step. And the third word, ready, because now I'm ready for the race, ready for finish this season, and also ready for next year I will race in Moto3 World Championship. And for Rama, maybe the first one also step by step, because yeah, it's normal for Asian rider, because from Asia to Europe is a little bit different, maybe also the weather, and the beginning of the season I think he also need to adapt and maybe strong, because he get some P1, also some podium, and maybe consistent, because also we also can see from the Friday, also Saturday, when we see the result of European Talent Cup, we always top 5, so yeah.